very warm welcome to our 2026 HCSS User Group meeting.
I like learning about what it can bring home to the rest of the team, how we could grow and be better as a company.
It's really getting to meet the people behind the program makes a world of a difference.
Being in the same room with like-minded people, it's just the one time a year can get together and speak the same language.
As we celebrate 40 years, we're not just honoring the past, we're looking forward to building that future together.